Hello student, today we will learn concept of foreign key. It is very important. Okay, so first we will see what is the use of foreign key in our database. A foreign key is used to link two tables together. We can also link two and more than tables. It means if we want to link two and more tables to fetch data, then we will use foreign key. Now, question come in mind, why we create more tables, why we don't store data in a single table? So, its answer will be if we store all attribute in a single table, then our table will be too long. So, we separate tables according to its record. So we separate and we make more than tables. Then after, when we want to fetch our data, then we link to two and more than tables through this foreign key. So now we will see what is foreign key. Foreign key is a field. Field means our attributes. So foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. Is it clear? It means foreign key is a field in a table that is refers to primary key in another table. We can say that if any field is created as a primary key, any field created as a primary key in a table, and also we are using in this field in another table. So we are using in this field in a another table, this attribute there will be a foreign key. Is it clear? So what is foreign key? Okay, let's understand this concept through the example. You can see here we have two tables. Our first table is customer table and another table is order table. So we have how many tables? We have two tables. In customer table, we have four attributes: customer ID, customer name, customer age, and customer city. And in this table, in our customer table, we made customer ID as a primary key. So we set primary key in which attribute? Customer ID. Is it clear? Then our another table is order. In another table, how many attributes we have? We have three attributes: order ID, order number, and customer ID. Okay, we take customer ID from another table. Okay, so in this order table, we set our attribute order ID as a primary key. Is it clear? So in customer table, primary key is customer ID, and in order table, our order ID is a primary key. But you can see here we are using customer ID. This attribute we are it's also using in customer table. Is it clear? And it's also a primary key, and we are using this customer ID in another table, so here it will be a foreign key. Is it clear? So there this attribute will be foreign key and it will be used to link both tables, customer and order table. Like that, suppose we have to display customer name and order number. Okay, so we need to link both of tables. Okay, so how we can link two tables without foreign key? So we need to foreign key. So if you set foreign key, then we can link to two and more than tables. Then after we can fetch data. Is it clear what is foreign key and what is the use of foreign key? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.